I'm an Egyptian and living in Germany. Today I'm going to introduce to you my final project for CS50x, and it's called Animef. It is a website for an enemy, a web app actually for an enemy, from which you can see and search among or across a lot of enemies. Here at the very beginning you see a lot of enemies which just displayed. For each enemy you have like 5 buttons. The first one is going to redirect you to the page of the enemy from my enemy list. My enemy list is a page. It's a very common used page from which you can see like everything related to a specific enemy, and it's also the page from which I got my database. And yeah, that's the first button. The second one is going to redirect you to a page from which you can watch that enemy. Like for that specific enemy, that page have nothing, but if we search like for anyone else, like Naruto, like just a common enemy, you can find it, of course. Yeah. The fourth thing, like the third thing, I mean, you can add it to favorite, add it to plan watch, or add it to watch it, like those 3 buttons. If I like I'm going just to say that there is nothing in favorite right now. I'm going to add it to favorite. I'm going to see and look at favorite. I will find it added with its name, score, genres, episode, rating, ranked, and then another button to just delete it from that page. I can add a lot of things, like I can add that to plan to watch. I'm going to see it there. I'm going to delete it again, and the last one to which one was watch it, the last one. I'm going to see it. I'm going to delete it again, and yeah, those are the 5 buttons you have here. Yeah, you can also log out. I think we didn't talk about sort. You can sort each enemy, like the list. You can sort it by name, you can sort it by score, rating, rank, popularity. Besides, you can sort it by many options, and then you can log out. If you log out, like, you can log in again. I'm going to try to not to corroborate. It's going to say that I must provide a password. If I provided a password, like that's an account which I already have, I am going to just go to the same. I'm going to demonstrate it. So I'm going to add anything to my favorite for that specific account, Cowboy Bob. If I just logged out and then logged in again to another account that I have made, also I'm going to sign in, I'm not going to find it. If I logged out, just again to Omar, then that specific account. No, I didn't add. Yep. I'm going to find it again. I can then, I'm just gonna remove it again, and then going back, log out, and then last thing, like the sign up button. You can register yourself here. Like, I'm going to, hopefully that is a name that I didn't use. I think if I just now, I'm going to just like full name. It's my full name. I'm going to write a password. That should be a new account. Should have nothing in it. Yep. I can also add and just the same as I did for all other enemies, like plan to watch. And then for each enemy I have the same 5 buttons: the mall page, and my enemy list page, and everything. At the end of the page you can find that data provided by my enemy list, and you can search it. And yeah, there is also an error checking here that you must search for something, the same as by log out, log in, and register. Thank you very much. That was my final project for CS50.